Sister Mary Dominica, Sister Mary Rosalina, Mother Mary Cecile, Sister Mary Leo, and Sister Mariel. What do you ask? May the Lord grant your desires and bring to fulfillment the good He has begun in you.
Families of the Jubilarians, please stand.
Sisters and relatives, we thank you for your gifts to the Church in the presence of Sister Miriam, Sister Mary Dominica, Sister Mary Rosalina, Mother Mary Cecile, Sister Mary Leo, and Sister Mariel.
Our dear Sister Miriam R. Alejandrino is heaven's gift to us, as she is our gift to God. It is for our blessings that she dedicates herself to God, embracing all people. May the Lord continue to care for you, look to you with compassion, and support you in your difficulties until you are united with Him forever.
Families, please be seated.
Sister Mary Dominica, Sister Mary Rosalina, Mother Mary Cecile, Sister Mary Leo, and Sister Mariel, as you renew your commitment to God and your dedication to our congregation, we also affirm our love and commitment for you and your well-being in our monastic family. We thank God for giving you to us. We thank you for your love and service to our congregation and the Church. With God's help, let us continue to glorify God in all things at all times.
Please all stand.
Let us pray. God of mercy and kindness, to whom every good undertaking is pleasing, hear our prayers for these our dear sisters, Sister Miriam, Sister Mary Dominica, Sister Mary Rosalina, Mother Mary Cecile, Sister Mary Leo, and Sister Mariel. They who have faithfully responded to their monastic vocation, we commend them to you today as they renew the consecration they made 50 and 25 years ago. Grant them the grace to persevere in the monastic life they have professed, so that, purified from their sins and frailties, they may one day share the glory prepared for those who have chosen through Christ the Lord.
Please be seated.
Rondo OSB of Toril, Davao City, Archdiocese of Davao.
I, Sister Mary Rosalina A. Efrayo, OSB, of Digos City, Diocese of Digos.
I, Mother Mary Cecile A. Lanes, OSB, of Digos City, Diocese of Digos, faithfully responded to the call of God through prayer and work in the congregation of Benedictine Sisters of the Eucharistic King.
Today,
I, Sister Mary Leo E. Haiti, OSB, of Katipunan, Zamboanga del Norte, Diocese of Dipolo.
I, Sister Mariel P. Saga, OSB, of Baba, Island Garden City of Samar, Archdiocese of Davao, profess my Benedictine vows of stability, conversion of life, and obedience. Today, the 9th day of May, 2025, I renew these vows in the presence of Most Reverend Julius S. Tunel, Didi,
and
and Reverend Mother Mary Cecil A. Lanyas, OSB. Prioress General of the Congregation of Benedict